Okay, Happy New Year, guys. So, welcome to 2025. So, just a few months short, or should I say, 4 or 5 months away from graduating grade 10. Then moving on to senior high school, and then hopefully to good colleges of your choice and courses of your directives. So, now, aside from greeting you guys, this is something that I practiced since last year with the grade 10 sa batch nila Mark Maravilla, nila Nate Raimundo. So, I send them occasionally videos regarding their class or regarding directives about what they need to do, what they need to move forward to, what they need to look forward to in their classes. So most of the time, the videos that I give is very impromptu and hindi siya consistent. So minsan meron, minsan wala. Most of the time, it's due to the lack of class discussions. So if we do have class discussions that we miss due to activities in school, activities in so whenever I give or send you messages, video messages such as these, I would like you to take into consideration in watching the whole one because it takes quite a while for me to edit it, to produce it, and to make it as if something that you will use in not only in your class but hopefully maybe look back in the future should you want to use it in future activities that would you know connect to maybe some of your feasibility activities or business activities and whatnot. Okay, so as I mentioned, I make these videos um, for the purposes of your future tasks. So just to give you an update, right now I'm trying to finish all of your grades for your feasibility study. I am still currently reading most of your feasibility study updates or drafts up to chapter 2. So coming this school year, starting next week, we will automatically start already with chapter 3. Hopefully by then, I have already returned some of your chapter 1 and 2s that you have submitted last year. Okay, don't worry about the grades because right now we need to focus on the contents of drafts that you created. Okay, now a part of your first task. So right now I'm actually checking some of the group chats that have been created, wherein I will be sending most of these videos, if not to the class group chat. Okay, so some of the videos that I will be sending will be specific, if not specific to your group, but more of a general video. So meaning pare-pareho lang din ang sinesend ko. But I would like you to be able to watch it as a group so that right there and then after you watch the video, you would be able to discuss among yourselves what you need to do based on the task that I'm giving you. Okay? Or that you are required to do for your feasibility study. Okay? So, as promised last quarter, for your third quarter, there will still be no written exam. Okay? However, we will already have a pre-defense activity, which will be divided into two. Okay? So that will be your quarterly exam. That will be based on your your third quarter grades will be based half on that pre-defense activity, which will be divided into two. Okay, that grade will be divided into two. One of which, of course, will be the actual pre-defense, meaning you will have a panel in front of you. Okay, you will be asked certain questions pertaining to your feasibility study. Okay, based on what you have already once you have completed, or once the one that you have already, submitted, okay, you will need to defend that. Okay, very random questions, so you should be ready for practically almost everything. And the other half of that grade will be based on the contents of your completed, or your submitted feasibility study. Okay, so having said that, so the other half will be based on how you answer, or how you conduct yourself during the feasibility pre-defense, and the other one will be based on me. Will that It will depend on how I see fit to grade your feasibility study, meaning on the contents. Okay, that will still be based on you, on how, on what you on what what you have written in that feasibility study. But the other half, the pre-defense, that will be really depending on you. Okay, questions could be very random. Okay, don't worry, the panelists that you will have for your pre-defense are not the actual panelists that you will have on your actual defense. Okay, this is just a practice. This is just a practice defense, so that you will have an idea what a defense would feels like. Okay, so for now, the only task that I need you to complete, okay, will be to acknowledge that you have watched, understood this video. You will need to acknowledge that through your group chat, the group chat that you have with your team, with your feasibility group, and me. Okay, once I have that, I will still grade that. Okay, that is part of, let's say, a participation activity. Okay, so you will need to do that, and I will post this video as well in your um, Google Classroom. Okay, and if necessary, okay, you will need to acknowledge it as well. Okay, so okay, again, guys, thank you very much for taking this time in watching this 7-8 minute video or more. And hopefully you had a good Christmas vacation. You should be well rested by now, and I look forward to working with you guys, and hopefully have a very successful feasibility study outcome. Okay, and if you have any questions, concerns, anything that you would need to consult, by the way, your consultation is a part of your third quarter and fourth quarter grade. Okay, so the more often you consult, the higher grade that you will have. But of course, you cannot just consult for like yung mga random na, sir, ganyan ganyan. No, it has to be formal consultation, meaning you have to be complete. If there's two groups of you, if there's two members in your group, then dapat the both of you should be there. Kung tatlo kayo, then all of you should. So all members should actually be there when during consultation. Okay? And whenever you consult, you try to maximize. Okay? You raise all the concerns that you have in one meeting, so that the next consultation that you will have will be showing a result of that said consultation. Ang exemption lang dito naman is si ano lang, si ang member is one lang in their group. So I think there's only one team naman na gano'n. Okay? So again, thank you very much for your time, and I look forward to seeing you all again this coming school year, this coming second half of the school year. Happy New Year, guys.